Hey, what's up guys? Are you looking for a deal on a new construction home here in the southwest side of Las Vegas? Well, in this video, I'm going to be covering this move-in ready home that's 100% completed, and you may be able to qualify for a low 4% interest rate, so don't go anywhere. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move, buy or sell in Las Vegas, or if you're looking for a new construction home, do me a favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Hey everyone, so today we're here at Wesley Park by America West here in the southwest corner of Las Vegas. Nearest cross streets is going to be Decatur and Blue Diamond, so about 15-20 minutes away from the Las Vegas airport and the strip. Plenty of restaurants and stores close by. Again, close to Blue Diamond, you have like a Target there, you have it EOS gym, and then plenty of restaurants. Today in this video I'm going to be touring this move-in ready home. So this is 100% completed, and to be honest guys, if you're looking for like the best deal on new construction, you got to be looking at new like move-in ready homes just like this, because that's when they have the most wiggle room and they offer the best incentives. Okay, for this move-in ready home, this is the Sheffield floor plan. Now this is 2,845 square feet, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, 3-story, 2-car garage. Now this was priced at $658. It is down to $624,999, and there might even be some more wiggle room after that. So any questions, just reach out to me. But yeah, let's check it out. This is the neighborhood right here. So this street is pretty much developed. You have a lot of people that already moved in, and then they're kind of building this way. So plenty of homes on that street. They're still building those homes. I think right over here, this is probably one of the only homes that they still have to sell on this block right here. But yeah, let's take a look inside. Remember guys, it's not a model home, okay? This is the actual house that is for sale, so that Ring doorbell is included. So right over here, you're gonna have your powder room. Okay, so got your pedestal sink and your toilet. Okay, so on this floor, you're gonna have 9-foot ceilings. Okay, so you have some nice tile. This is gonna be the door to your garage, which I'll show you just a bit, some storage space. So this is gonna be like your main living area right here. Okay, so you'll have your living room, dining room, and then your kitchen. Okay, so you got already set up for your TV, have the Smurf tube back here, so your TV could hide all the cords. So it's pretty clean. Got the what is it, like the gray tile, the white cabinets, the white quartz countertop. So this slider right here, this slider is about 6 by 7. Okay, it's a pretty cool window right here. Yeah, you're check out the backyard. I would say this backyard, I would take a guess. I mean, this looks like 20 to 25 feet deep. We could definitely build a pool back here if that's the goal. Okay, so yeah, plenty of space. Check out over here. Okay, so this is going to be your side gate. Now when you move in, they'll give you about like 6 months to a year to landscape your backyard. So you got the beautiful white cabinets. Okay. Okay, so it looks like there's some You got some space underneath this island. So we got the stainless steel undermount sink right here. And looks like we also have the Whirlpool appliance package. So the microwave, the oven stovetop, and then also the refrigerator. So let's take a look up here. Okay, look, so it does vent outwards. Got the microwaves. Now this is going to be your pantry. So, you know, decent sized pantry. Not the largest. Also here, as far as the paint finish, it's going to be a flat white paint. Okay. I think it's going to be semi-gloss here in the kitchen. Let me see. Oh, you know what? I think it might be flat white all throughout, actually. All right, so here's your closet space. And then look, they made some use of underneath the stairs. Okay, so you could store some items right there. Now here's gonna be your garage. So the garage is unfinished as far as they're not gonna paint the inside of the garage. You'll have your tankless water heater right there, water softener loop. Okay. So let's check out the middle floor. Now the middle floor, you're gonna have your 3 bedrooms in the middle floor, including your primary bedroom. And then you have like a little, I would say like a little loft area. And then on the 3rd floor, you have like a large guest bedroom there. That's going to be your 4th bedroom, but you'll also have a really nice loft, right? So a lot of cool things you can do with that loft. You can make it like a man cave, have it kind of like a theater setup, or yeah. So I'll show you, I'll get to that in just a moment. So over here to the left, there's going to be like the 2 bedrooms, and then you have like a little, you can put like a desk right over there. Now on this floor, you're gonna have 8-foot ceilings. Okay, so this is gonna be the primary bedroom. All right, so it looks like you have the smoke detector right in there. Outside in the hallways, you're gonna have the smoke detector and the CO2 detector. But also, we also have the jumper duct. So that's just how air will travel through the jumper duct, come out through here. Helps regulate the temperature. Also prevents like doors from slamming if there's like wind. There's trapped wind in here. Okay, so spacious primary bedroom. This is your view. This is what you could see. So they're still building homes right over there. But yeah, really, really decent sized backyard for sure. If you wanted to build a pool, you could definitely do that. And you got quite a few lights up here as well. So you have the pre-wire to the ceiling fan, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 lights. Okay, so this is going to be the primary bath. So you have this really nice quartz. Okay, undermount sink. You have the black fixtures. Okay, also medicine cabinet. Right over here, you have your walk-in closet. So this is your beautiful upgraded shower here. Your walk-in shower with a seat. Okay. Nice material right here. That design. And then you'll have your toilet room. So you'll have a window right here as well. Okay, so this is going to be space for your linens. Okay, so right over here, you're going to have your 2 bedrooms. You also have your full bath right here. Okay, so same material that they use in the bathrooms. Okay, the flooring, you're gonna have that same tile flooring, and then you have your fiberglass shower tub. Your toilet. Also got that medicine cabinet in there. So these are gonna be the 2 bedrooms. As you can see, these are the transfer grills. Okay. So the other rooms get transfer grills. The primary bedroom gets the jumper duct. Okay. Now, yeah, this is going to be one of the guest bedrooms. This is going to be facing like the front of the house. Okay. And it looks like on the street, most people already moved in. So this is probably like the last house to sell. But yeah, I think when they were making their way through construction, they were actually... There's like one more house to the left, and then it goes to that next street. So they're just finishing up this street here. So here's the other bedroom. Okay. I feel like this bedroom's a little bit more spacious. It's a little more spacious. And then we'll have your laundry room. So yeah, it looks like the washer and dryer are not included. And then you'll have your smart panel box here. Smart panel box, you're gonna have your internet router and your modem set up right inside. Cool. And then you have this space right here. Again, you can put like a desk right here. You can make this a little office space. If you don't mind having your office in the middle of the hallway. All right. Cool. So yeah, plenty of lighting too. So you got light right here, all throughout. Okay. And then we'll head up to the 3rd floor. Now I know a lot of buyers don't like too many stairs, but I think 3 stories can be kind of cool sometimes. It just kind of depends on what meets your family's needs, because I feel like 3 stories, you know, if you're looking for some separation, a little bit of separation where you could be a little loud in one part of the house and you don't want to disturb anybody, there's 3 different levels, right? So on the 3rd floor, that's where you could hang out and see. This would be really cool to, you know, you'd have your TV, you could watch like football games, or it could be like a game room. Okay, man cave. It's where you would watch movies as a family. And then you have this, you have a balcony right here, which is really cool. Let's see. Oh, the balcony is actually, you have some good space over here. Okay, so as you can see, yeah, the balcony is like the whole front of the house right here. So now guys, if you're watching this video and you're curious about new construction, thinking about visiting a new construction community for your very first time, do me a huge favor, guys. Give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit. But if you're working with a realtor, that's okay too. Just make sure they go with you on your very first visit. Something you don't want to do is just go by yourself to a new construction community. The second you go to like a new build community and by yourself, the new build agent's gonna ask for your phone number, email, your name, phone number, and email. Once they have that, they won't let you have representation down the road. And that's important because the new build agents look after the builder's best interests, but we look after your best interests. So it's definitely important to get yourself some representation, somebody who will walk you through the process and negotiate for you. Okay, so this is gonna be some space for your linens. Cool, now see, you have this really large guest bedroom right here. This is actually more spacious than the primary bedroom. So okay, so nice walk-in closet. But yeah, I mean, this would be great too. I mean, if you had like a tenant, you want them to be a little bit like more separated from the other rooms. You could have them come all the way to the third floor, enjoy this nice large guest room. If you have a family member that lives with you, you could have them stay up here as well. I'm sure they would love this space. So this is going to be the full bath up here as well. Okay, so nice. They got the walk-in shower. Yeah, guys, that pretty much wraps it up for this quick move-in. If you are interested, and guys, I'm telling you, I know, like I said in the beginning, if you're looking for the best deals, to be honest, get with a realtor who's familiar with new construction, and look for standing inventory homes just like this, because that's where you're gonna get the best deal. Again, even with this, you could get an interest rate as low as 4.25, which is crazy. But yeah, guys, if you have any questions at all, give me a call. My info is going to be in the description below. But thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.